Prefer to solve things on your own? With Smart, you're never on your own. We've built a world-class, multi-language self-support hub, complete with guided resources, searchable documentation, and training content so you can troubleshoot and learn with confidence. Our YouTube channel gives you instant access to step-by-step videos covering everything from unboxing and installation to advanced features and integrations. Help is always just a click away. And when you're ready to go deeper, the Smart Academy is your gateway to professional learning. Available 24/7, it offers free, self-paced courses, certifications, and role-based learning paths for educators, IT administrators, and channel partners. From webinars and classroom guides to interactive workshops, every resource is designed to help you get the most out of your smart solutions, whether you're teaching, training, or managing the technology. To go beyond the expected, learn more at smarttech.com.